Have you ever been stumped by a writing assignment or struggled to come up with fresh content for your blog? ChatGPT can help. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the basics of this state-of-the-art language model and show you how to use it to generate engaging and unique text. Hello and welcome to WizCabin. In this video, we'll cover the basics of how ChatGPT works and how you can use it to generate text. ChatGPT is a state-of-the-art language model developed by OpenAI that can perform a wide range of natural language processing tasks, such as generating human-like text, answering questions, and even engaging in conversations with users. Let's begin! First, let's talk about what ChatGPT is. ChatGPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer, which is a mouthful, but basically, it means that ChatGPT is a deep learning model that has been trained on vast amounts of text data to learn how to generate new text that sounds like it was written by a human. So how does ChatGPT generate text? Well, it works by taking in some initial text input from a user and then using that input to generate a continuation of the text. This is done by using a process called sequence-to-sequence learning, where the model learns to predict the next sequence of words based on the previous sequence. ChatGPT is trained on a massive amount of text data, so it has a vast store of knowledge and can generate highly realistic text. Now, let's talk about how you can use ChatGPT. There are several ways to interact with ChatGPT, but the most common way is through a web-based application like GPT-3 Playground. Here's how to get started. Go to the GPT-3 Playground website. We'll provide the link in the description. Sign up for an account if you haven't already by providing the mail ID and password. And if you already have an account, log in by entering your credentials. Provide a prompt. Type in some initial text to start the prompt, such as "once upon a time." You can keep generating more text and can also experiment with it to make it more creative or detailed, as you see in this video. As a learner, there are many ways you can utilize ChatGPT to enhance your knowledge and learning experience. Ask questions. ChatGPT can answer a wide range of questions on various topics. You can ask questions related to academics, career, personal growth, and more. Look at this example where we asked ChatGPT about how to improve time management skills. And it responded by offering a detailed explanation along with some helpful tips. Get definitions. ChatGPT can provide definitions of words and concepts that you may be unfamiliar with. This can help you understand a topic better and improve your vocabulary, as you see here. Get explanations. If you're struggling to understand a topic, ChatGPT can provide explanations that may be easier to understand than your textbook or lecture notes. Get study tips. ChatGPT can provide study tips and techniques that can help you learn more effectively and efficiently. Practice your writing. ChatGPT can also help you practice your writing by giving you prompts to write about. This can help you improve your writing skills and express your thoughts more clearly. Discover new topics. ChatGPT can suggest topics that you may be interested in learning more about based on your previous conversations. Remember, ChatGPT is a machine learning model and its responses are based on the data it has been trained on. While ChatGPT can be a helpful resource, it's always a good idea to verify any information you receive and do additional research to deepen your understanding of a topic. That's it for this video on ChatGPT for beginners, a quick start tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, don't forget to like and share the video. Your support helps us create more content for you. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. See you in the next video.